Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play the real Sims 4 on iPad Easy Guide. Stream from your PC or cloud service to your iPad using a reliable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection and low latency settings. First, install a compatible streaming app, sign into your game platform, and pair a controller or enable touch controls. Keep your PC awake, close background apps, and ensure upload bandwidth is stable for uninterrupted play. Connect your PC and iPad before you start playing, and verify your game runs smoothly on the source machine. Configure power settings so the PC does not sleep and assign high performance to the game. Close unnecessary programs and set a fixed display resolution to reduce stutter. Check game save locations and cloud sync so your progress transfers reliably. This preparation makes streaming The Sims 4 to your iPad far more enjoyable and consistent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping snacks and lunches mess-free while you game, and they stack neatly to save space. I use them between sessions to avoid greasy controllers and unexpected spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When playing The Sims 4 on your iPad, pair a Bluetooth controller for precise camera and sim control, and enable touch shortcuts for build mode. Lower shadows and texture quality if you notice lag, and limit background downloads on your network. Test different streaming resolutions to balance clarity and performance, and restart your router if latency spikes. These steps help keep gameplay smooth, so you can focus on storytelling and creativity with fewer interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.